All right, we will simply open this Word file, okay? We'll find that it contains what? An introduction text and some words, and I don't know, some text, and I don't know. A reference to the lady, it has the citation. So I need this text to create it in a PowerPoint file with a good format. Okay? All right? All right? Good. And also, this is the dictation that Dr. Allah was talking about. If we want to speak into the microphone and show here, we can also use what Dr. Allah mentioned. But what I want to clarify more is that I have a text and I want to convert it into a PowerPoint file and get some good themes and designs. So what do? I come in and then select export and then choose from export here, export to PowerPoint. When I do export to PowerPoint, it will start working for a bit and tell me that it's fetching the themes and it will bring me some nice themes. I come from who. Then I choose export. And then from export here, I select export to PowerPoint. When I do export to PowerPoint, it will start working for a bit and tell me that it's fetching the themes. And it will bring me some nice themes so that I can include this text in it. I don't like these themes. The shapes, of course, in PowerPoint, you know there are templates and shapes and things like that. I don't like it. I tell him that's it. All right, just click on it. So what do I have? Other shapes. It will load other shapes. Good. It's currently loading. What is it still doing? It's doing the loading process here. So the shape hasn't appeared yet. It's supposed to load other shapes here. It will load, just like it happened now. Load shapes. I don't like the shapes. It says, see more themes again. Load it for me again. The important thing is that you'll keep doing this until you find a shape you like. You have to find a shape you like. I mean, a shape will definitely come that you'll like. For example, let's assume that I like this shape. So do it like this. And they said the export will do the preparing here, which means it will take this text and apply it to the theme I told him about. When I say open, it will come here and create the integrated instruction for me. Of course, my file was in Arabic, so the instruction is bringing me what? It brought me the text that I had in the Word file and started doing what? It started to put a nice shape. This integrated instruction is great. And of course, here you can write the title. I mean, it can also give you the title, but just that. And then you can come here and tell it, well, the alignment should be from the right to the left. You can adjust it later, no problem. We are in a PowerPoint file. Of course, here is the title. You can write it. I mean, you can also give me the title. Okay. And it started to bring you good options here. You can come here and tell it, well, the alignment should be from right to left. You can adjust it later, no problem. We're in a PowerPoint file. And it brings you another slide. You can also enlarge this slide a bit or shrink it a bit, whatever you like, until you reach a shape you like. It brings you the third, fourth, and fifth slides, converting the text that was there into slide format. For example, I don't like this slide. This slide looks like this, and I don't like it. So what should I do? You will notice that it has brought you a tool above called Designer. This Designer brings you the slide that you selected. This is the slide that you selected. This one that's here, okay. This is the slide that you selected. Here it is. This is a slide that you selected. He will tell you, well, do you want to apply this shape or this shape or this shape or any shape you like from those? Here it is. And I tell him, I want this shape. Or you just choose and it will bring you this shape. Okay, you don't like these shapes. I click down here and tell him, here it is. For example, I want a different shape. Here, give me other ideas. You click down here on it and it starts to load. It takes some time. It starts to load and takes some time. Give me this shape, for example. I like this shape. Then it will bring you a different shape, a third shape. Give me other shapes and so on. Okay, I don't like this shape. For example, I don't like this shape. Choose another shape. For example, this shape, or for example, all right, can you bring it? Let's see the shape, this shape here. Bring me the shape that's best for the text. It wasn't good in the last slide, but it's better here. Can you bring me something like this shape? The idea here is that you have a file or a Word document, and you want to insert the Word file here. Open the file, go to File menu, pick a theme, print with any design on slides, select a slide, get ideas, click to apply. Start with a theme you like. When printed, the theme and slides reflect your choice. You can apply any design to each slide. Choose a slide and it suggests ideas. Select an idea and it applies to the slide, changing its look. Continue this process to the file itself. You can apply any design you like to each of these slides. So if you choose this slide on the right, it will start giving you ideas for that slide. Ideas. Well, I want this idea, not that one. I don't want it. I want this idea, right? I just click on it. It will then apply this idea to that slide and change the slide to look like this. And so it starts to, no problem with ideas. Once you're done, you go to the menu and say, here, make me a save as, and then you say, make this one the version I want. I want it as a PowerPoint copy. What do you want from it? Here, copy it for me. And it will copy it and say, this will download to your device in the downloads folder. And you tell him to do this and give birth to what, this is the version I want. I want it as a PowerPoint copy. What do I want from it? Here, copy it for me. And it will say that the download will go to your device. The downloads. Where's the download? Is it going to be here in the downloads? Yes, the blended learning, so you can open it normally with your regular PowerPoint, not one from Office 365. So you can open and edit it. There's no problem at all with this modification from through, which is the university email. Okay, specific to Microsoft. So you need to have a university email. Then we logged in and opened it. Word or PowerPoint, there's no problem. All right, if it's PowerPoint, it will open and we can immediately apply the designer feature to it. But what if it's Word? We would open Word like this, then go to the file menu, tell it to open as PowerPoint. It will open for me as PowerPoint. And what will we choose? It will look like this, and we will start applying it to each slide. What are the ideas or suggestions available on the right? It will look like this for me, and we will start applying it to each slide. What are the ideas or suggestions available on the right? Right away. Dr. Zulfa is saying, oh, I have something that's not showing. Dr. Zulfa, are you referring to the microphone in Word? No, the regular Word won't have that. We're not talking about the regular Word. We're talking about when you open Office 365. Word here through Office will bring you the, what will it bring you? The dictation tool. Yes, this is an important point. Even in PowerPoint, the regular PowerPoint that I'm opening doesn't have this tool here. There is a design tab here, but is it available here? No. So where is it available? It's available when we open 365. We'll find this design tab, and when we select it, we can start moving to the right. Look, the designer appears on our right to give us the ideas that I want to apply to the slide. Yes, this point is important. Even in regular PowerPoint, the regular PowerPoint that I'm opening doesn't have this tool here. It's not available. There's a word design here. It's like a menu. In a menu, but is it here or not? So where is it? Found. It's available when we open 365. We'll find the design menu, and when we select it, we can start moving to the right. Look, the designer appears on our right to give us the ideas that I want to apply to the slide. Who is this talking about 365? What we have through our email, a regular email, is that we can access it through that. This is an important point. Yes, yes. It's in 2016 or 2000. But the idea is that I want to tell my colleagues that it's available here, meaning some might not have it on their devices. So it might be better to use it from where? From you. You have the university account and we have the tool available, so we can use it from here and benefit from it. What does that benefit mean? Okay. Yes, that's fine. Yes. Yes, doctor, the regular Office, you can install it on a regular device. And what about the Office for the group?